Hello students, in previous tutorials we saw how to pass a sales and a purchase voucher with inventory in Tally ERP9. In this video, in this tutorial we will see how to pass a debit note and a credit note in Tally ERP9. So here is the transaction. First of all we will see what is debit note. Debit note is used to record transaction for goods returned. Means we had purchased, a company has purchased some goods and we are returning to the vendor or the party from whom we have purchased the goods. For that purpose we would be using a debit note. See, Anand Computers Private Limited returned a few purchased laptops. We had earlier done the transaction of the purchase, out of which we found some goods to be faulty and we had returned them. Those items are HP laptop P1 and HP laptop P2 and the quantity is 2 for both of them. So let's see how to pass the transaction. Go to accounting vouchers. See, this is the debit note option. Select the debit note. Okay. Select it as again a item invoice, and there are two modes, as a voucher mode and as a invoice mode. We would be selecting as a invoice mode because we want to write the items properly. So the party name is HP Computers, to whom we are returning the goods purchase. Select the purchase ledger as purchase return account, which is also created under purchase. Take the item as HP laptop P1 and the go down was Katras, because for purchase we had selected Katras go down and those goods were stored in Katras go down itself, so we would be returning from Katras go down only. The quantity is 2 and rate would be same as the rate we had purchased. Enter. Next is HP laptop P2, go down would be again Katras, quantity would be 2, rate is 35,000. So give the narration as being purchase returned because of faulty goods, and enter and accept the screen. So this is how we pass the debit note. Let's go and check in the HP Computers ledger. HP Computers Private Limited. So here is the purchase return, which is on the debit side, and HP Computers now owe us rupees 1,26,000 because some goods were found faulty and were returned. So this is how we pass the debit note transaction with inventory items. Now let's see how to pass a credit note. Credit note is used to record sales return transaction. Now in previous tutorial we had made a sales to Havells India Limited and they returned some faulty goods to us. Those were Dell laptop V1 and Dell laptop V3 and the quantity is 1. So let's go and pass the credit note. Go to accounting vouchers, select now credit note. Party is Havells. Now this time the sales ledger would be sales return account. Now select the item as Dell laptop V1. Now the sales was made from Tilak Road showroom, so we will select the go down as Tilak Road. Quantity was 1 and the rate would be same as the rate of sales transaction. It depends upon situation to situation how much would be the return rate, but now we are considering it as 32,000. Next item is Dell laptop V3. Again Tilak Road showroom, quantity is 1 and the rate is 45,000. So give the narration as being sales returned because of faulty goods. Enter and accept the screen. Press page up to see the voucher again on the screen. So this is the voucher which we had passed. Let's go and check in Havells Ledger, display, account books, ledger, and Havells Ledger is here. So this is the sales return account. Now they have returned some faulty goods to us and which we have a credit balance, so we need to pay them 77,000 because faulty goods were returned to us. So this is how we pass debit note and credit note with inventory items in Tally ERP 9. Thank you for watching this video.